Welcome to the crypto nest. So as you can see, Fantom is kind of reacting a little bit. Oops, let me put it in the screen maybe. There you go. So the more bullish count would be that this is a wave one, but cannot really, anyway, you need to prove itself because I can only count 3 waves. So that's more a corrective movement. And yeah, so after that, we can say that this was A, B, C for the B, and this is the C. Now the two trend here, the red one, it's the one, the lower low we made this cycle, early cycle in July 2021, and this is the lower low that we made just now, right, in November. So it's not that great, honestly. Would have been better if we made a higher low, much higher, because we just made barely 1 cent. Now, if I try to make a more bullish count, which I told you I'm not really, I think it's shaky a little bit to count this as a 1, a B, and a C. If I zoom out, we should go about 96 cents. But let's just forget about that and let's just focus on what we know for sure. We know for sure that this downtrend now, it's indeed has been broken. We also see that on the daily chart, the MA 200 is here, MA 50 it's joining and gaining some higher levels. So soon they're going to have a golden cross. And also, if I take the Fibonacci retracement of all this impulsive movement, I'm looking for the 0.618, which is the ideal retracement for a wave, allegedly, potentially wave 2. And yeah, so we're going to have the MA 200 and also this very long-term uptrend line. And as you can see, I draw a box here because it kind of was relevant, this level here. And if I take the VRVP, you can see that also at this level here, we had a lot of confluence and a lot of volume. So that's why I'm checking for those levels there. Now let me take out this so it's less messy. So how I'm going to play it? Well, I'm going to put a buy limit order at this level here, 25 cents, 25.1, I don't know, you decide. I will decide. And then yeah, I find it's a nice level to accumulate. I don't have that many phantoms, so this is where I'm trying to accumulate more. If Bitcoin is going to make his major pullback, then more likely this is going to happen. And now let's try to put numbers to this corrective movement. So today price already, I think it's 4% down. If we go at that level, that's from now, it's another 23% or 20%. Not a bad, honestly. Very nice entry point level. And yeah, I would say this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you. Also, let me see the RSI here, just to have an extra indication. You can see that we were oversold for a while and we stayed there and it keep skyrocketing. Now, can we continue to do that? Absolutely, it can, but eventually it's going to get exhausted. And if I check here, let me see now, just checking the candles, and this candle is the exact copy but on a negative, so that's not very good. Also, if I go on the 1 hour, you can see that I did draw this uptrend line. So another indication that trend is going to reverse would be that we start to break this trend line. So this is what I'm looking for a moment. And yes, also we could draw a trend and use this wick here. So that could be another trend that you can spot. And let me see here. Yeah, so I think this is pretty much all what I wanted to share with you guys. So well, that's it. I think this covered it all. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And on that, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.